welcome back to Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton. That's my father, Chad, the owner of Coyote Classics. And if you haven't seen us before, we're a classic car dealership here in Green, Iowa, but we sell and ship these cars all over the world. Today, we're checking out an awesome and one of the best looking 1971 Cutlass convertibles that I've seen. I love the color. This color is fantastic.
That's a great looking car. I like the rally wheels, raised white letter tires on it. Just a nice cruiser, you know, 350, power steering, brakes and air. Air conditioner works great.
That blue with that white interior is sharp.
Yeah, it's like I said, a great driver. Take it to any local car show, be proud of it. Cruise night car, parade car.
Power brakes, power steering, had factory air.
And the air does
350.
work on it, Dee.
Nice.
Yep, definitely works. Yeah, great car. I took this one down the road the other day and I was just very impressed by how tight it was and how nice it drove. On bottom of the hood, still, you know, kind of the original paint there. You could tell where they had the mat on there. So if a guy wants to put that mat, you could. As far as our front end goes, front bumper looks good. Appears to be kind of the original bumper still. Still in great shape. Same thing with the grille. Couple little scars right here on the chrome. Not perfect, but for original, it's in really good shape. As we go up and over the top of the fender to the hood, really lines up nice from front to back. Back fits down in there nice. Where's our sun going, Dee?
I don't know. It's hiding behind a cloud, I think.
Same thing over here on the passenger side. Really good gap. Back of the hood fits good, especially for such a long hood. As far as our gap here from top to bottom, really nice and even. We do have a few little scratches right here, just above the piece of chrome up on the front fender. Like I said, not a freshly restored car, but something you can take to any show and just be proud of it for a nice cruiser. Rocker panel is awesome. Bottom of the door. Bottom of the quarter is great. Don't see any blisters or any issues there.
I'll you show the interior and then I'll put the
As far
top
as the
up.
windshield goes, that's in great shape as well. It's got the dual sport mirrors on this one. Top of the door panels are nice. We'll just go ahead. Dalton's going to put the top up here in a minute, so we'll go to the interior. The interior really looks original. As far as the carpet goes, it's kind of a question. It could be the original. You can see just a little fuzziness with it. What do you think about the originality of the interior, Dalton? It's possible.
It looks original to me. It's always hard to say on something like that.
It is, but it's definitely possible, and it's in good shape. It's got the factory GM seat belts front and back for 6. Door panel is in excellent shape as well. Bottom of the door panel is great. Corner of the door is rust-free. Has been repainted. Appears to me, I'll get the picture of that quick. Power top goes up nice and even. Nice and quiet as well. Looks like it's got a really nice white top, glass back window.
It's almost nice enough today to drive with the top down, but I suppose it is a little bit chilly.
Yeah, we must leave it up. Put the windows up, show them how that all fits. As far as our trunk goes, nice gap there as well. We have a little tiny little chip right there in the corner. Back bumper has a good shine. Again, appears original. Taillight lenses and stuff are nice. What's the odometer show, Dalt?
32,397.
Probably 132, but very well taken care of. As we look here behind the rear quarters, got dual exhaust, chrome tips come out the back. Really nice and solid there. Oh, sorry. Same thing over here, really nice looking dual exhaust. Back quarter is excellent. Got just a little bit of road grime here from taking it around the block. Wipe right off. Up and over the wheel well is excellent. Come right down into here. Rocker panel, bottom of the door fits good. Rocker, lower door, lower fender. Looks nice. Gaps look good. Windows fit good.
Yeah, they do.
Go up and down nice.
Go up and down nice too.
Yeah, great.
Hey, I don't think I got pictures of the trunk, so let's show that quick. That's
Okay.
right. I realized today
Like you said earlier, I really like this blue.
Yeah, it's a great color, especially with the white interior.
As we go in the trunk here, you can tell that they, you know, jammed it all when they painted it years ago. I'd say the paint job's probably 15, 25 years old. You know, it's not done yesterday, for
Original
sure.
trunk,
Hey, that is original, ain't
So you
it?
see like the original blue or red oxy primer.
Yeah. Look like over here. Same thing. Absolutely never had a patch or nothing here, did they?
Nope.
Very, very solid, very nice. Original mat still in there. Original stickers still in the trunk. As we open the driver's door, same thing as a passenger, no rust there. And that's the main thing we're looking for when we're getting into these General Motor cars or all the muscle cars. You want a good solid foundation, and this one really appears to have it. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. You're gonna see 20, 25 photos of the undercarriage there as well. Does have the sport mirror, has the, the sport wheel, the sport mirror as well, but it has the remote mirror too. So as we get in and out, the seat is in excellent shape. All the cords feel good and look good here. One thing I know it needs is the gas gauge needs a sending unit. So I know we have one and we just haven't got time to put it in yet. What we got, really the windows look like they sealed up really good over here on this side.
Yeah. Oh, if I move the camera properly, this side seals up good too.
As far as gauges goes, it's got the factory generator and oil light, and they are working. As far as when we turn the key on, they both light up like they should. Hot light works as well, so really sounds good. Power tops, the correct switch. Wipers work. It's got newer blades on. Here's what I thought was crazy.
Original radio works out.
Yeah, it's got the AM, FM. Even the little stereo light works in there. See that?
That's neat.
When you get the right channel. There's your AC. You can hear the compressor kick down. I'm sorry, the engine kick down compressor. You got a like original owner's manual and stuff in here. Look at that, and the Protecto plate.
Neat.
Still there. Warranty stuff where it was sold brand new in Cincinnati, Ohio. It was sold in August 19th of 1971. So, like I said, it's just a Survivor with a repaint is what it is. Yeah,
Yeah, it is. I'll turn that down a little bit so you can hear a little better. Oh, that cool air did kind of feel good.
So besides the gas gauge right now, everything else seems to be working good. I think I'm going to adjust the idle down a little bit too. It seemed like it was just idling about 100 or 200 RPMs higher than what it should be.
Top on the interior is in good shape too. Pads and rails and all that looks good.
Transmission shift's great. Just like all of them, brakes stop nice and straight. And a ton of really nice pedal with that power brake booster. The wind picking up or what?
Yeah, it was. It's got some high wind gusts right now.
Like you said, the inside of the top and stuff's all in really nice shape.
Runs good.
Yeah, stock 350's got a lot of power. That's nice 60, shift. 65 right there. Transmission just shifted up to third, 70 mile an hour. Kick down works, downshifted to second at 80, come back up to third gear.
We do have some wind noise, but also keep in mind it's a very windy day here.
Yeah, I don't on this side. It's really, really good. Probably because you got the winds coming from your way there.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
No, we got about 30 mile an hour winds.
One thing I also want to point out is just the steering feels really tight. Let's go back through it one more time and check our brakes at the stop sign again. Looks like Brant's showing up to work.
Yep.
Again, great transmission and a really good strong 350 engine.
Yeah, good shift there too.
Like I said, that's 65. Going in 70, going into third gear here. Let's get her back up to normal speed like most people are going to be driving. 55 right here.
Just
The steering wheel could be straightened just a little bit. It goes perfectly straight. The alignment's good. It just needs the steering wheel hopefully taken off and
centered.
Yeah, just a little bit off.
It's a good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. If you enjoy the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.